Okay, I'm just going to briefly overview what you need as in terms of accounts and just go through this real quickly. If you need more information on how to set up these accounts, go to the account section. But basically you're going to need for this dropshipping to work is basic email and eBay accounts. The money you're going to need is PayPal and a credit card, and the drop shipping software you're going to need is DSM. So I'm going to go do sections under basic, money, and drop shipping software. Whatever account you need help setting up, go to that video section and I'll help you set it up. So basically what you're going to need to create your accounts are Gmail, a PayPal, and an eBay. Once you set up these Gmails, you're going to need a business name, and you're going to relate your business name to your email. Then you're going to strategically go to the next thing, which would be PayPal, and you're going to set up PayPal and create a PayPal account associated with your business title. You need a checking account and a credit card, and your eBay is going to connect back to both this Gmail and the PayPal, and you're going to take the Gmail and PayPal and put it into your eBay account. I'm going to teach you how to set up your eBay account and connect your eBay account to your PayPal and your set up your business policies. So what you're going to need for a Gmail account. If you're interested and you need to know that, go to the next video called Gmail.